Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Solo travel is an incredible way to explore the world, gain independence, and discover yourself. Here are some expert tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your solo travel experience. First, do your research. Plan ahead and learn about the destinations you want to visit. Check travel advisories, understand local customs, and find out about any necessary visas or vaccinations. Next, pack light. One bag is all you need. Choose versatile clothing items that you can mix and match, and don't forget essential travel items like a first aid kit and a universal plug adapter. Now, embrace your independence. Trust yourself and your instincts. Be open to new experiences and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. When it comes to safety, be vigilant. Always keep your belongings close and use common sense. Stay aware of your surroundings, avoid walking alone at night, and let someone know your travel plans. But don't forget to have fun. Solo travel is all about freedom and self-discovery. Dive into the local culture, try new foods, and make friends with fellow travelers. Remember, it's okay to feel lonely sometimes. Embrace the solitude and take time for self-reflection. Remember, you're on an incredible journey of personal growth. So, are you ready to embark on your solo travel adventure? Get out there, explore the world, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!